Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you the process of indoor portrait photo editing. And I just made a preset for you guys, and I'll give you that preset download link in my video description. So I just done this editing in a shortest way and made a preset, and I'll discuss about that preset what I have done over there. And let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, go to the file and open up. Here is my stock image. I downloaded this one from the website, and I'll give you that credit of this photo in my video description. So check it out. If you want to get the download link, please go to my video description and get the download link over there, and you can download this one for the practice purpose, and you can use this one with the credit line of this. So press Ctrl J for the new copy of this layer, and this one is the backup purpose layer, the background layer, and I'll just edit this one. I'm giving the name the main, and go to the filter and the camera filter. This camera filter is a plugins of the Photoshop Creative Cloud version, and the other one, which one was the earlier version, but you have to install that earlier version manually, and you are getting the by default in the Creative Cloud version. I will suggest you to update your Photoshop in a Creative Cloud. You are getting that things in the Creative Cloud by default. So from there, here is a small menu, and go to the load settings options, and here I just made a preset that is the color tone, and open it up. So after that, you are getting like the warm type tone, and it will make your photographs more amazing. So here is lots of assumption to make your photographs more amazing. If you need, you can adjust that, and if you don't need, you can keep it like that. So let's start the discussion about the toning and the color and everything. Here I made the temperature +6 and tint +27, and exposure and contrast that is 0, highlights -7, just because of I want to make it de-highlight a little bit, and the shadow +36 and whites +39, and the blacks -13. Actually blacks just for the black background, and it will make more sense for this -13. Okay, clarity 0, and variance that is the mid tone, and I just made it -23. It will make the dramatic look for this one, and the saturation that is 0, and the tone curve, I just made the tone curve blue tone curve. Here is I just made 2 points, and I just turned this one in upper side, that is the blue tone curve, and then the green I didn't touch that, and the red that is good, and the RGB I made here 2 points and make it this one like gamma, and that is the upper side last one. And here is the sharpening, amount of sharpening, that is the detailing tab, and the amount of sharpening that is the 48, and the radius 1, detail 25, and the luminance that is a 25. Noise reduction, that's important for the smoothing skin. So here that is the 5, that's good. And then here is the hue and saturation. Hue, that is the red hue -35 or 43, and +4, -27, 23, +23 actually, -36, that is the aqua tone, and blue tone that is the -20, and the purple tone that is -43, and magenta that is +20. Saturation, I just made the saturation orange color down just because of the white color tone. That means I want to reduce the tone of the orangish type, that's why. Luminance that is -9, that's good. And the split toning, I made the split toning hue, the highlight portion I just keep the value 81, and the saturation 17, and balance that is 0, and the shadow mid that is the tone 296, and the saturation 10. I would suggest you to make this one, don't make it like 10 or upper that, the saturation. So no lens correction issues over here. The dehaze option -2, and then the camera calibration. Camera calibration, this one is the primary 3 colors, that is the red primary, green primary, and blue primary. Primary color that is +57, the hue, and the saturation +23. Green primary color -20, and the saturation -29. That's why this one is a little bit faded, and the hue that is -6, and the saturation -2. That's all for these settings, and hit the OK button. so you're getting nice things. But if you want to get this one more smooth, you have to make another plugins or apply another plugins for this. So for that, go to the filter and the photo toolbox skin finder. If you want to get the skin finder download link, please check out my video description. So from here you are getting like this type of tone. If you need, here is two things, three things actually. I just used here two things, that is the skin detailing. I'll just make it 76 or the fine like that, and from here I'll desaturate this one a little bit, and the contrast, that's good, yeah, it will make more sense, and shadow, yeah, and the highlight, I'll make the highlight down and hit the OK button. So it will take time to load it up and give you the final output. So the before one and after one, you're getting this type of faded type Moody indoor portrait effects in your photographs. Follow my steps, it will make your photography editing in next level. Thank you so much. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the download link of the resource file, please check out my video description. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.